So day 1. Ayan. So dito tayo magsisimula. And so mamaya patapos na yung day 1. So guys, ano pa ba? So since medyo pagod ako galing school, dito matutulog muna ako, tapos bago ako matulog manonood muna ako. Yun lang. Gilamos na ako. Yun. Hello. Ayusin ko lang to. Ayan. Da. And guys, ano ba? Report kasi ako bukas. So ayun. Pag-aaralan ko muna yung mga i-report ko. Yung quadratic equation at function. Ayan guys, pag-aaralan ko muna siya, tapos matutulog ako, tapos isipin ko muna yung business plan ko. Yun lang guys. So yun, patulog na ako guys. Tapos ko lang hilamos. Tapos brush na ako guys. So yun guys, tapos na po ako. So yun, matutulog na ako guys. So dito matatapos nating day 2. Ayun, sana mawala na yung mga tigawad ko. Bye. Guys, day 3. So ayan, day 3 guys. So Kaka-uwi ko lang galing school. So, ayun. Matutulog ako. Tapos manonood ako bago ako matulog. Bye-bye! May bisita kami. And, ayun. Ayun guys. Kasi ko muna dito. So, baka di ako makapag video mga ginawa ko ngayon since mag-asikaso nga ako ng bahay since walang ibang tutulong kala nanay. Yun lang. So, see you tomorrow na lang guys. Ngayon is day 4. Ayan. As you can see. Ayan. Medyo madilim pa. Ayan. Malapit na magsinagata. It's around 4 pa lang kasi. So, and 4:34. Yun guys. So, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Hey guys. So, ayan. Outfit check guys. So, ayan. Favorite kong jersey. Okay. Dallas Mavericks. Kay ano to? Kanino to? Kay Dirk ata ito guys. Since idol ko po si Dirk. Yan yung gamitin natin ito. Ito nga. So guys, sila mo as usual.
Pushes the brake pedal as hard as he can. Suddenly, she sees her reflection in the makeup mirror. She grabs it.
Then guys, since wala nga masyadong tao sa bahay, napakadali lang, hindi ako nagtutugas. Hindi lang masyadong naglilinis. Chill-chill lang talaga guys.
Brushes her cheeks with a paintbrush and then paints her eyelashes with more makeup. Now that her face is done, she undoes her crusty hair and squeezes some sussy shampoo on.
So yun, nire-rinse na natin siya tapos isa pa.
Wash her hair in the rain. The guy in the car is completely shocked that she is now hot. And furthermore, her hair is somehow dry. Keep in mind, this is all happening in real time and the car is still moving. All the people nearby stare in shock as she starts ripping off with her gray teen hair. She decides to quickly teleport the car to the side.
And so another ones.
Turns out the woman... What is this boy doing here? Hey kid, who invited you? I promised my uncle was talking to Tom. Well, right now, I'll call security. People like you are not...
Ay guys, wala ako. Yun lang guys. So,
Then I get to work. But I have to be honest, you guys. I get so nervous when I'm cleaning. If an employee walks in, I'll get kicked out immediately. Have you ever done the walk of shame?
ayun na guys. Tapos na tayo guys. So, bye-bye.
I just noticed.
So, ayun. Day... Ano ba ngayon? Day 6. Ay, day 5. Day 5. And guys, day 5 na guys. So, ayun. Kakagaling ko lang practice sa simbahan. Tapos... Ano ba? Yun lang. Yun lang. Tapos, ayun. Dahil medyo wala naman tao dito sa bahay since umalis nga kahapon sila nanay is baka matulog ako ngayon. Yun lang. Bye bye. Ay! Magre-review pala ako sa exam. Bye bye. So, ayun, bago ako matulog, alam na, day 5, mag-ilamos ako. Bago ako matulog. Guys, kapalit lang akong damit tapos tutulog na ako. Bye bye. Guys, day 6. So ayun guys, patapos na po tayo sa ating vlog, last day na bukas. So yan, dahil kakatapos lang ng ating simba, yan, matutulog ako, baka manood rin ako guys. So ayan, bye bye. Gilamos na ako. Yun lang. Bye. Ayun guys, so ayan. This is the last day, day 7. So, ayun, magluluto ako since so guys, luto naman na. Ayun ko naman siya. Nakapagluto na rin ng aking food. Tumalipit na akong pagkain guys. Pang na pang. So yun guys, ito rin. Sobrang lupit ko. Kalamansi, inano ko. Tapos may kalamansi rin ako dito. Di ba guys? So ayun, by the way, nanonood po ako ng mga video ng mga vloggers dito sa
This, my
Americas.
friends, the meat mountain. How's that?
Ayan
for
guys,
you?
so yun yung madalas kong
I've actually
ginagawa
had
pag
a sandwich before.
wala akong kasama dito sa bahay. So yun lang guys, may papakita ko sa inyo kung paano kumain habang pagkatapos ko habang nanonood. So yun guys, bye bye. Guys, so yan. So guys, dahil patapos na tayo guys, mag-ilamos muna ako and then magtututbrush na po ako.
Abang sinabi. Pwede na pala yan. Sinabi mo takbo.
Ayun guys, mag-ilamos na po ako. Isunod ko na guys kasi mamaya uwi na po ang aking mga lolo at lola. Ngayon mo guys, papuo ng bahay. So, baka mag-video ko guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Isa pa? So, rinse lang natin, tapos pero saglitan lang. Guys, mag-toothbrush ako.
Anyone who can solve it before the end of the semester gets a huge prize. So, calls all the students and faculty together in his classroom and asks the mysterious person who solved it to come forward and reveal themselves for no one else. So the professor gets together with the rest of the math department. They come up with a problem that it took them 2 years of working together to solve. They put that problem on the chalkboard, hoping the secret math magician would come forward to take it. They said the janitor would write something on the board, and they assumed that that was it. They waited to solve it. Professor chases them. When he goes back to the board, he sees the second problem has been solved as well. He asks the janitor his math issues. This janitor sees a math problem.
So yun guys, tapos na tayo. So yun guys. So yun, tapos dito na nagtatapos ang ating my daily life in a week. So ayan guys. So sana nag-enjoy kayo kasi ako medyo lang. Bye bye.